There once was a small town cloaked in fog and whispers of old secrets. At the heart of this town stood an ancient, decaying mansion, said to have been abandoned for decades. But rumours swirled of a lone figure seen in its windows, staring out at the world with empty eyes. One stormy night, a group of curious teens decided to uncover the truth. They ventured into the mansion, armed with nothing but flashlights and their bravado. As they stepped through the creaky door, it slammed shut behind them, sealing their fate. Inside, they were met with eerie silence and shadows that seemed to dance on the walls. Room by room they searched, finding nothing but dust and cobwebs, until they reached the attic. There, amid the clutter, sat a dusty old doll, its eyes unnervingly lifelike. One of the teens reached out to touch it, and suddenly the doll's head turned towards them. The room grew colder and whispers filled the air, indistinct, echoing voices of past inhabitants warning them to leave. The teens tried to escape, but the mansion seemed to twist and turn, leading them in circles. Finally, they found themselves back in the attic, face to face with the doll. This time its mouth moved, uttering a single chilling word: "Run!" Terrified, they dashed for the door, which mercifully opened, spilling them out into the stormy night. They never spoke of that night again, but the town's residents swore they could hear the doll's whispering voice on stormy evenings, calling to those brave or foolish enough to listen.